We can add a moving text using keyframes. First of all, from this tool panel, select the text tool and go ahead and draw your text. Now highlight your text, and from here you can change your text color. You can also change your text size and adjust your text here. Then select the selection tool and then select your text clip and go to effect controls. Under effect control, here you will find this position. First of all, put your playhead at the beginning of your text clip and enable position toggle animation. Here we can see a keyframe added. Now I will move this text outside of my video project. So here's I'm just decreasing this position value to 200 minus 200, and my text will be invisible. And after that, I'm just moving my playhead, and at this position I want to slowly make my text visible. So here's I'm adding another keyframe, and here I'm giving this position value 500 or 900. Just go ahead and increase this value, and you can also move your text vertically using this option. Now right click on your last keyframe, click on temporal interpolation and select here erase in. Now let's play our timeline and let's see the result. As you can see, my text is now moving.